Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to do a tutorial on Jotform. I've been using Jotform to create intake forms for my TC business and for my courses and coaching services, and I love it. But we are here today because they are launching this week the AI agents, and I'm going to walk you through the process on how to create one and how I'm planning to use them for my own TC business. So let's start. So the first thing that you need, obviously, is a Jotform account, and it's free. You can use up to 5 forms for free. So I absolutely recommend that you go ahead and use the link below and create a new account if you don't have one already. Once you are inside of the account, you're going to hit create. You're going to select AI agent. That is what we want to do today. On the next step, you're going to select the channel. In this case, I'm going to select the standalone. So the next step, you're going to just create the agent, and you have a couple of options here to select from. In this case, I'm going to create the customer support, and I'm going to hit create here on the bottom. And now the system is going to suggest Ava. Now, if I want to customize my agent, I'm going to hit here the painting role, and I'm going to select an avatar. Okay, and I can choose from the gallery. As you can see, you have males, females, different ages. You even have mascots. But if you don't find an avatar that pleases you for whatever reason, even though we have a ton of different options, you can still write a prompt and generate your own. Or if you prefer to upload your avatar, you can absolutely do so in here. So I'm going to choose Elena. So Elena is going to be my customer support agent. Now, if instead of customer support agent, I want to change the title or the name, I just hit this pencil in here and I can customize it as well. I also able to customize the overall look here under style. So you can choose for the color scheme that is already available here for us, or if you prefer, you can just click in here on the colors and add the specific colors for your brand. And you can change the layout as well if you prefer the agent to be showing on the left or maybe on the right. And if you would like to upload your logo, you can also do so. That is how you create the style of your avatar. Now we are going to be moving to the training part, which in my opinion is the most important one, because you want to train your agents. You want to feed them information, because the more they know, the more they will be able to help your potential customers when they, for example, visit your website. Think about it. If you do have a website and someone visits late at night, they might be filling out a form, so they need to wait until the next day when you get their information, their request, and answer back. But by then, maybe they disengage, maybe they're not interested anymore, or they find some other provider that have the information handy. In some other cases, you might have all the information available on the website, but sometimes people don't like to read. Okay, they don't have the patience and they leave the website right away. When you do have an AI agent, that is going to definitely help you with retention and with engagement, because you can train the agent not just to give information, but also to ask questions to your customers and kind of, again, engage with them. Now, let's move to the training part then. So we go to the next tab, and you can add knowledge in many different ways. For example, you can just paste text in here. That might be useful if you do have an SOP ready. You can just copy paste. Or, for example, what you can do is you can use a link. Now, you can also upload a file if you prefer, or you can just start writing the question here and the answer one by one. It's totally up to you. Now, once that you feed your agent information, whatever way is easier for you, the next thing that you want to do is to create actions. So, for example, you can tell that when a conversation starts, then do something. That could be, say, an exact message. That the message can be, for example, "Hi, welcome. How can I help you?" So, for example, when the user wants to send a contract, then you might want to ask them to fill out the form, file submission form, and you're going to save it. So if someone is in my website to find out about my TC course or my coaching services, then they will click one button. Or if they are agents trying to work with me as a transaction coordinator, they will select the other option. That will be, for example, one of the actions that you can take. But as you can see, you have many different options. You can customize it the way that works better for your own website, for your own services. Now, you do have here on the left some other tools and things that you can use. You can show a video, and that is something that I definitely want to do. And the reason being is because I believe that that adds a lot of personalization. So I definitely going to use that. But first, I need to add an agent prompt because I need to let them know in which situation they should be showing the videos to the customer in conversation. So when they ask how they can work with me as a PC, and then what you are going to do is I'm going to choose a video. Or let's say that someone is in here trying to learn more about being a transaction coordinator. I also going to choose YouTube, but in this case, I'm going to give them a link on a free webinar that I have on how to launch your TC business. So as you can see, it gives you a ton of options to share with your potential customers. So that is for the tools. Now, you can also integrate your AI agent with a form. For example, I have a submission form, and you can just decide that the agent can actually take the answers from your client, either with voice or by chat. I'm not going to go with that option in particular, but definitely, something to consider, might be very helpful in your own business and operation. So now that we review pretty much all the options that we have, now what we can do is we can publish it. And to publish is very easy. You just need to copy the link, and you have a couple of options. You could send the link by text, by email, or you can embed it in your website. That is what I'm planning to do. You can also have a phone agent. Now, if you decide to have a phone agent, you will have to pay $10 a month for the line, which makes total sense, okay? You can also choose voice. And as you can see, you have different options for you to put it on your website. SMS agent, you can also connect your agent with your WhatsApp business account or with your messenger if you do business in Facebook. So there are many, many different options for you to share in here. Now, another thing that I wanted to show you is the preview. Okay, perfect. So now we are going to test it, okay? And as you can see, it says, hi, welcome, how can I help you? That is how I instruct the agent to open a conversation. It's perfect. Now, we are going to ask, I want to get more info. And if she is doing the right thing, she's going to give me two options, TC services or courses. Perfect. But now I want to ask a question that I know she's not going to know. Are you open on weekends? And she shouldn't know that answer because I didn't train her for that. She's although giving some answers, okay? I don't have a specific information regarding weekends. Please contact, and she's putting my email and my phone number in order to find out more. That is not bad. However, I want her to be able to answer the question, right? So I wanted to show you, if you leave the preview, you're going to see here the unanswered questions, okay? And one of them is, what are the hours of operations? Are you open on weekends? Okay, perfect. So I have an opportunity here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add knowledge. I'm going to come here and set hours of operations, Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. Save. Now I'm going to go to preview again. Okay, and by the way, every time that your agent cannot answer a question, if you allow to get notifications, you're going to receive an email letting you know. What are the hours of operations? Okay, and now it's telling me Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. Are you open on weekends? No, we are not. If I fit the information that we are open Monday to Friday, she can deduct that we are not open on the weekends. So that is a small example how you can train your agent and how you can correct potential issues or questions that they don't have the information. So let's leave the preview. And by the way, that is how you will see that on a phone or in tablet. So now I wanted to show you the voice agent. In this case, you can actually talk to Elena, right?
Hi, welcome. How can I help you?
Hi, Elena. What are the hours of operation?
Our hours of operation are Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.
That's awesome. Also, you can customize the voice settings from different females because, I get like a female avatar, but you can also select males or mascots. As I said before, you can embed it in your website using many different formats. The customization is amazing. And also, same thing like with the phone, you can use it for $10 a month if you prefer to have an SMS agent. Okay. Same thing with WhatsApp. You can utilize it for free in this case. And talking about free, that is amazing. This company is offering a forever free plan, and you can have actually the AI agents for free. There are going to be some limitations, but I will absolutely encourage you to try it if you do have a website. And even if you don't, if you just have WhatsApp, that might be a solution for you to provide information. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. It is an affiliate link. If you decide to go with the pay option, I will get a commission at no additional cost to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I read them all and I answer all. So feel free to do so. And next, I'm going to also share another tutorial on the forms because I believe that you should use both. So hope that you enjoyed. Let me know if anything. I will see you on the next one.